I don't like this hairstyle.
Yeah. If it takes too long to hit me back, I can promise you how I react. But all I can say is at least I'll wait.
Hey guys, it's me Vaishnavi. Welcome back to another video. This week we are planning our November and December, and the reason why we are doing this is because we have like so many festivals and so many things in November and December that we need to plan it out so that everything works. Also, I have a little background change today. I have black, yellow, and pink, which is really cool. Also, I broke my tripod, which is not cool, so I can't really make like vlogs and stuff like that. But I have actually ordered a new one, so I will link that down in the description box below. But I won't guarantee it because I don't really have it now. I don't know how its performance is, but my previous tripod was trash. Don't buy it, please. So yeah, without any further ado, let's now move on to the planning. I'm using this diary and this pen for the planning, and because I like this diary like a lot. It is the sequin diary, and I've also made like a separate video on this which would be linked in the description. I'm using this pen. So yeah.
For all time's sake.
So the first thing we need to do is to make a November section, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is to make a festival section in my November section, and then I'm going to be doing like a things to do in November, and I'll make like a checklist. And yeah, let's just do that now. Okay, so the first festival in November is Diwali, which is on 14th of November. I know that is Children's Day, but it is on 14th of November this year. So the to-do list consists of three things. The first one is to clean my room. The reason we have to do this for Diwali is because we have like this tradition in India where you like do a really deep clean during like before Diwali, not during Diwali. And yeah, that is why we have to do everything very thoroughly. Then I have to pick out a dress to wear on Diwali, and I've already done that, so I'm going to check that out off of my checklist. And the third thing which I have to do is to vlog my Diwali, which is going to be very interesting. So yeah, that is it for my Diwali to-do list. You guys will have like a picture of how it looks. And yeah, now let's move on to the next option. Okay, so the next festival we have is Chhat Puja. If you don't know what that is not celebrated all over India. It is only celebrated here in Bihar, and luckily I live in Bihar, Patna, so I do get to celebrate this festival. So I will probably have to do some things for it because I've never vlogged this. I've always like vlogged Diwali. Not always, like I've done that last year, I'll do it this year, but I've never vlogged Chhat Puja. So if I'm going to be traveling for it, then definitely I'll do like a pack with me. And if I won't be traveling, I'm seriously not sure if I'm going to be vlogging or doing anything. But if just in case if I'm going to be traveling, I have to do a pack with me and a vlog that is on my to-do list. And I have to pick out a dress, which I haven't done that now. That is on 20th of November, so I do have like a lot of time right now. So yeah, that is it for my Chhat Puja. And yeah, guys, please. The only thing I'm reminded of when someone says guys is
तो गाइस क्या करूं मैं इतनी सुंदर हूं तो आप ही बताओ क्या करूं?
please don't take this in the wrong way. I'm not sure if I'm going to be traveling or making a vlog for this because nothing has really been decided yet. But if I would do it, it will be extraordinary because that would be the first time of me vlogging this festival. So now let's move on to the next section, which is going to be the academic section. We are basically done with the festivals. These are the only two festivals we have coming, or which I celebrate. I don't know if you guys have any other festivals which you guys would celebrate. So if you have any, leave them down in the comments below. I will really appreciate it. So now let's move on to the academic section. So for my academic section, I have three things. I have to complete the syllabus, I have to revise, and of course exams. So you guys might be wondering, why do I have exams again? I just had them like 1 month ago. So our school, like the school I study in. I won't say the name due to security reasons, but has like a really, specific schedule for the exams. We have 4 exams per year. We have PA1, which is periodic assessment 1, then we have half yearly, then we have PA2, and then we have the finals. So I have my PA1 in May this year, and I had my half yearlies in September, and I have my PA2s in December, I think first or the second week of December, and then we have our finals in February. So we have like a just like very detailed schedule of when the exams would take place. So that is why. And I have to complete my syllabus, which is not completed yet, but it would be very, very soon. I think in 1 week it should be completed. That is in my November to-do list. So I have to complete it, then I have to revise it, of course, and then of course the exams. The exam should be in the December to-do list, but I've written it here because it would look cooler then. So I think that is it for the academic section. Also, I would have made like a YouTube section in which I will plan the videos that I'll upload in November, like every Wednesday in November. But I won't make that section because that would be like a spoiler for you guys, and then you guys would know in advance that what I am going to be uploading. So I don't really want to do that. So now I think that is all I have to do for November. Now let's move on to the December portion. So now for the December section, I made the title, and now it's time for the festival section. I think the only festival we have in December is Christmas. So now let's write that down here. Okay, so I have made my Christmas section. So this is just for the 25th of December, not from like the 1 to 25th. That is would be like the Vlogmas. I would definitely include that here as well, but this is just for Christmas. So the things that I need to do are to plan the party. Very important. I love Christmas parties. They're like so just casual and beautiful, and I have to pick out a dress. Yeah, and then I definitely have to like vlog it because why not? I am a YouTuber, so I need to vlog everything. So I have to vlog it as well. And yeah, that is all the 3 things we need to do for December. I mean, for Christmas, we have a lot more to do for December, which would come up next. So now I have created my December academic section. I have my exams, so that is all I have to do for academics, because like you have to prepare for your exams, and like the revision and the studies have to be done the previous month, which is right now. So yeah, the only academic thing, like the important academic thing we have is my exams. Now moving on to the interesting section of December. So the interesting part which I was talking about is Vlogmas. So if you don't know what Vlogmas is, it is basically like done from December 1 to December 25th, where you have to upload a video every day from December 1 to December 25th. So you might be wondering, why do we have to do it? This is basically like a Christmas countdown which people do, and I also wanted to do it since like last year, but I couldn't because I don't know why, but I didn't do it. But this year I'm going to be doing it because I want to. So, my Vlogmas list consists of make Vlogmas intro, which should be like very festive and very Christmassy and stuff like that. If you want to help me with my Vlogmas intro, you can DM me at Vaishnavi Lifestyle. And also I have to do a few collabs in my Vlogmas series. So if you are a YouTuber with over 500 subscribers, you can DM me. We can definitely like consider a collab, because I am really looking forward to a few collabs in my Vlogmas. And we have to plan 25 different videos for 25 days, because I can't just like vlog 25 days. That would be so boring. So if you have any Vlogmas ideas, like what I can do for Vlogmas, then you can leave it down in the comments below. I have already posted it on my community tab, I think a few days ago, and you guys were really generous to leave a few ideas. So yeah, and I also have to stay very consistent, and the reason is I will also be having my exams, and my exams would probably be before Christmas, which means during Vlogmas. So I have to prepare for that, and I have to make your videos, and I have to upload them and edit them and stuff like that. So I really would have to stay very, very consistent, which would be like probably a really cool thing. So that is it for my Vlogmas to-do list. I guess I have to make the intro, collabs, plan the videos, and to stay consistent. So that is it for my planning list, I will definitely include like a picture of how it turned out after I just color it and decorate it a little bit. And yeah, that is pretty much all, I think. Or let me just recap a little bit and then I'll tell you if it is all or not. I think that is all. That is all I need to do for November and December. This video was super fun and super, productive to make because this was really a necessary thing. I would never have done it if I didn't have to make a video for this. So thank you guys for being there and for watching this video. I really love you all so much. So you guys saw the picture. Let me tell you that this was so much fun. You guys should start organizing as well. This is how it looks like right now, and yeah, you probably saw it on the thumbnail as well. So yeah, that is all for my plannings. You guys can also plan your activities and you can post the pictures on Instagram and tag me there. I will definitely like repost a few of those pictures. So I think that is all for this video. This video was so much fun to make because I had to tell you guys about how busy my schedule usually is, which I think it is not busy at all because I have like really less things which I have to do, which I'm very grateful for, that I don't have to like work very hard. But I do have to stay consistent on YouTube and of course school. So that is pretty much it for this video. I planned my November and December out, and in case you guys are also planning to make a planner inspired by me, then you can definitely like upload the pictures of it and tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is Vaishnavi_lifestyle, and I'll definitely repost it and comment on it. So that is all I wanted to say for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also hit that big red subscribe button down below and little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you'll become the member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my Miracle Fam members. That is pretty much all I wanted to say. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye.